Good morning, everyone. My name is Miranda, and I am a Cultural Affairs Officer at the U.S. Embassy in Bishkek. Today, I'm here at the C5+1 Youth Council, their annual regional debate tournament. I cannot overemphasize how important debate is. First and foremost, it gives young people the opportunity to practice their public speaking skills in front of a trained panel of judges and get feedback. Whether you're going to be an engineer pitching to Silicon Valley investors, or whether you're going to be a school teacher or a university lecturer presenting to your students, or a researcher in history or the social science, public speaking is important in any discipline that you go into, and debate is a great way to practice that. Second, debate is super important for critical thinking skills, especially to think on your feet. In parliamentary debate, teams are only given the resolution or the motion that they're debating a couple minutes prior to the start of the round. They must think quickly to analyze the resolution and come up with points in favor or against it. Thirdly, debate helps students think about how to organize their speaking. When you're presenting your points to the judges, you have to do so in an organized fashion to explain to the judges what you're going to say first and what you're going to say second. And this translates into paper writing, organization, and you're writing your papers for school or for university. Finally, debate is a really great way to practice professionally engaging with those that you maybe disagree with, right? In parliamentary debate, you don't usually get to choose what side of the resolution you argue. You may have to argue in something that you personally in favor of something that you personally don't support. So it teaches you to better understand what the other side is thinking, and again, how to professionally and politely engage with them. I cannot overemphasize the importance of debate for helping youth to develop skills that will help them in their careers and also to be active participants in their communities. Thank you.